Before the final hour, the world will drown in disbelief. Cruelty will rule, and faith will retreat to the sacred cities. But then, from the lineage of Sayyidatuna Fatima to Zahra radiyallahu anha, a destined leader will rise. And the earth will change forever.
He is called Imam Mahdi عليه السلام. The Prophet ﷺ has described many signs of the approaching Day of Judgment, such as the appearance of the Dajjal, as you learned in the previous video, along with the emergence of Juj and Majuj, and then the rise of Imam Mahdi عليه السلام.
In today's video, I will tell you about Imam Mahdi based on authentic hadith. So, let's get started.
It begins.
The name of Sayyidina Imam Mahdi will be Muhammad, and his father's name will be Abdullah, as it has been indicated in the blessed Hadith. He will be the king of all Arabs and non-Arabs. This blessed Hadith clearly states that Imam Mahdi has not been born yet, but rather he will be born. During the month of Ramadan, Abdal will be busy performing the tawaf of the Holy Kaaba.
لبيك اللهم لبيك.
The color of this sky, it is not ordinary. A sign has appeared. Something great is drawing near.
It has been narrated from Sayyidina Abdullah bin Umar that the beloved Rasul sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam has said, Imam Mahdi will arrive wearing an imama. A proclaimer will come, raising his voice that he is Mahdi, the Caliph of Allah. Therefore, you must obey him.
Allahu Akbar. Subhanallah wa bihamdi.
The beloved Prophet said, this world will not end until a king from among the Arabs emerges. He will be from me, from my own family. His name will match my name, and his father's name will be the same as my father's. He will fill the earth with justice, just as it had been filled with cruelty and injustice everywhere. Before the descent of Hazrat Isa, the Dajjal will be deceiving people with his wicked tricks. The Dajjal will have fire and water. What people perceive as water will actually be fire, and what they perceive as fire will be cool water. The Dajjal will seize the wealth and belongings of those who refuse to follow him. The Dajjal will command the sky to pour rain, and it will begin to rain.
Let the heavens open! Bring forth the rain! I command it!
The Dajjal will command the earth to produce crops, and the earth will start yielding grain.
Lands, grow your crops at once!
He will strike down a young man and then bring him back to life, so people may believe he is divine.
After the appearance of Imam Mahdi, Prophet Isa will descend. According to Islamic belief, Prophet Isa alayhi salam is alive in the heavens, not dead. Allah protected him from the plots of his enemies and raised him up until his destined return.
I have heard that near the end of times, Prophet Isa will descend again.
Yes, it is mentioned in the Quran.
Allah says in the Quran, O Isa, indeed, I will take you and raise you to myself and purify you from those who disbelieve. The Prophet Muhammad foretold that Isa alayhi salam will return after the appearance of the false Messiah, Dajjal.
Together with Prophet Isa, the Muslims will wage jihad for the sake of Islam, break the cross, kill the swine, and abolish the jizya. During his time, Allah Almighty will cause all religions except Islam to come to an end.
When Dajjal sees Prophet Isa, he will begin to melt like lead. Prophet Isa will pursue him and kill him at a location called Babelud.
After that, Hazrat Isa will live in the world for 40 years, and when he passes away, the Muslims will perform his funeral prayer.
Allahu Akbar.